Hey y'all, Iric Guy here, and within this video I want to show how to fold or how to unfold and then how to fold the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So you go out to the field, you're in a safe and responsible location and you want to fly your drone. How do you unfold it to fly it? So it's actually pretty simple, and what I would recommend doing, I wouldn't take the camera and gimbal guard off until after I've unfolded the drone. So the first thing that you'll probably want to do, see these bottom ones, you gently, this is a very well made drone, but you don't want to aggressively handle it. So you gently pull down on this, boom, that goes out to the front. And then you look at your other bottom one, same thing on the other side, you gently pull down, it goes out to the front. So now you've got your two front arms with propellers attached. Then you're going to do the rear. So the rear, you do, boom, you pull that back, now it's sticking out the rear. And then you pull this back, it's sticking out the rear. So that's how to unfold the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So the opposite of that, obviously, is how to fold it. Well, when you finish flying and everything's powered down, take one of the rear ones, gently push in, boom. So see, that one is there. And then the next one, gently push in, boom. That one's there. Now you've got your front ones. So gently pull down, boom. That's folded down, and then the remainder, the final one rather, boom. There you go. That's how to unfold and then fold the DJI. And obviously, if you're going to fly, it goes without saying, you would pop off the gimbal protector, camera protector. Check out my separate video where I demonstrate how to do this. But I hope this video helps. I know not everyone has been flying drones since Phantom 1 like I have, so there's nothing wrong with being new to the hobby. Flying drones is an amazing hobby. But just simple things like this that, you know, hey, you were looking for a quick explanation. I hope I answered your question. And be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my DJI Mini 4 Pro videos. If you have questions, just ask, and I'll try to film a video response. And go all the way back. Check out my DJI Phantom 1 videos through present. I've got thousands of drone videos. So I appreciate your viewership and your support, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Iric Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Iric Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.